Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of numbers? This presentation will guide you through the equivalence between fractions, decimals, and percentages. Discover how these forms relate and transform into each other seamlessly. By the end of this session, you must recognize the equivalency of fractions, decimals, and percentages. You should be able to convert fractions to decimals and percentages, and vice versa. Additionally, aim to convert percentages to fractions and decimals. You'll be assessed on understanding and using these equivalencies. Let's dive into the details. Fractions, decimals, and percentages represent the same concept in different ways. A fraction is a numerical value that isn't a whole number, like 1/3 or 3/4. A decimal is a fraction with a power of 10 as the denominator, such as 0.7. A percentage is a fraction of 100, like 74%. Let's explore these further. Here's a table showing common fractions and their equivalent decimals and percentages. For instance, 1/2 equals 0.5 or 50%. 1/4 is 0.25 or 25%. 3/4 convert to 0.75 or 75%. Understanding these conversions is crucial for numerical literacy. Converting fractions to decimals is straightforward. Use a calculator to divide the numerator by the denominator. For example, 3/8 equals 0.375. Similarly, 2/9 becomes 0.2 recurring. Practice converting fractions like 5/8 or 7/9 to decimals. This skill is essential for mathematical proficiency. Fractions can easily convert to percentages. If the denominator is 100, the numerator is the percentage. For instance, 23 out of 100 is 23%. If not, find an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. For example, 32 out of 50 is 64%. Let's practice this conversion. Decimals convert to percentages by multiplying by 100. For example, 0.42 is 42%. 0.14 equals 14%. 0.275 becomes 27.5%. Practice converting decimals like 0.1 or 0.01. This conversion is vital for understanding data. Convert percentages to fractions by expressing them over 100. Simplify the fraction if possible. For example, 23% is 23 over 100. 52% simplifies to 13 over 25. 35% becomes 7 over 20. Practice these conversions for a solid grasp of numerical relationships. Convert percentages to decimals by dividing by 100. For instance, 42% becomes 0.42. 14% is 0.14. 27.5% converts to 0.275. Practice converting percentages like 10 or 1%. This skill is crucial for interpreting numerical data. Order the numbers from smallest to largest by converting them to the same form. Convert fractions, percentages, and decimals to decimals. For example, 1/2 is 0.5, and 20% is 0.2. Arrange them from 0.07 to 0.875. Finally, convert back to their original forms. Test your understanding with this challenge. Thank you. Through understanding equivalencies, you can convert between fractions, decimals, and percentages. This knowledge is essential for mathematical fluency and data interpretation. Now, practice these conversions to solidify your skills and enhance your numerical literacy.